the only state out of all 50 where you do not need to register to vote. So what that means is all you need is a photo ID. So if any of you have fake, you don't want to do that. Well, what you can do is your parents can just show up with their ID. It could be a military ID, it could be just your driver's license. There's a lot of different IDs. Passport, any of those work. Does anyone know where you're going to vote, or not you directly? People that here, yes. But anyone know where your parents may go vote in this area? Where do you go to vote?
Would be town hall.
The town hall or another?
Yeah.
Yep. That is correct. So when they go down, there's going to be quite a few things that they're going to vote on. And what we're going to talk about today are the 8 different measures. We're going to talk about our state representative, the Rolette County Sheriff, and County Measure 1, the 911 initiative. Now we know there's going to be a state auditor, commissioner, a lot of other things, but we have to narrow it down a little bit. And a lot of those other positions is a lot of money on one candidate. But even though they have one candidate, we can still potentially elect someone different, can't we? And that's through doing what? What do you think, Lyndon? Write-in. That's correct, you're write-in. And an example of this is, anyone a Red Sox fan in here, baseball?
Gross.
We got a few fans? Kid, why don't you come on up here and help us out? What an example of possibly someone winning a write-in? Can you tell me anything like that that's happening right now, or that has happened in the past? David Ortiz. David Ortiz. Is he a baseball player? Yes. Okay. And he almost got elected, didn't he? I think it was mayor of Boston, I believe, even. And how did he almost get elected? He was written in. That is true. That is true. And he actually thinks he did a wonderful job. And surprisingly enough, is he actually asked people not to write his name in. But of course, a lot of people hear that, and they think it's kind of funny, and they write his name in. He actually ended up in second place, and never had his name on the ballot, and never even wanted to be elected. But he ended up in second place, and it was pretty close to winning. It was pretty impressive. So write-ins are a possibility. Tomorrow morning, you're going to get a ballot. And TJ Martin made this ballot up, so he did a good job. And it'll have the 8 measures on here. Yes. It has the 8 measures. It has the House of Representatives, the Rolette County Sheriff, and the 911 initiative on it. And all you have to do is check which one you would like to see passed, whether it be the yes, the no, or the candidate you are voting for. And hopefully after today, you feel well informed where tomorrow morning, when you get this during first hour, you will know who to vote for. Yes. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
100%.
Well, our group has worked very hard on finding some information on here. And of course, we can't pick someone that really feels passionate about the yes or the no. We just want to let people in our class. For Measure 1, for example, the entire class may feel like, I want to vote yes for this. So some of the views that are expressed by some of the individuals here may or may not be the same view that, like let's say Delaney, for instance. What do you have there? No or yes? I can't remember.
I have a no.
You have a no, but maybe she's voting yes. So the information she gives doesn't mean necessarily that she supports that. She's just letting you know some information on why you should vote no, or for Ashley why you should vote yes. So we had individuals take sides on both. So the yes side and the no side. And we're going to start off with Measure 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what Measure 1 is, just kind of like a brief little summary. Not really summary, just a little quick thing. Because a lot of people, when they're going to vote, sometimes they don't really know everything that's going to be on the ballot. And as voters, we should know that, shouldn't we? We should be educated, we should be informed. It might be like, oh, I want to really go in and vote for sheriff, because I feel pretty strong about this candidate or that candidate. And then you go in and you're voting, and all of a sudden there's all these other things happening. What's this? What's that? What do most people usually do when that happens? They guess. Should we be doing that? No, we should be well educated on it. So tonight when you go home, hopefully you can have a conversation with your parents and family members about all the different measures and candidates out there. If you have questions when they are finished, raise your hand, they'll call on you, and they'll do the best they can to answer those questions. They may not know the answer, but they'll try the best they can, okay? The first measure, this declares in this